Ladies and gentlemen, there's been so much noise on social media and name dragging of the name of Elder Joshua Maponga. Welcome, Joshua.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And how are you?
Nice. Maponga about social media. They say that you have been part of a meeting, part of a meeting, Yangachi planner an assassination attempt on the life of Rutendo, Benson Matinyarare, someone who has been so close to you. Were you part of meeting Yagada?
Firstly, thank you very much for inviting me on your program. And greetings to you and all your viewers around the world. Of all the things I can be accused of, I think this is the most preposterous.
Yes.
Most unheard of. I have nothing for Rutendo. I have nothing against the men. I was not part of the meeting. I didn't even hear about that meeting myself. And the conversations that are being raised and the peddling that is happening, it's a pity. Well, the Zimbabwe regulations are now not becoming very kind to this quality of cyberbullying. But I can only say that it's an illusion of the highest order. And I almost think that Rutendo is becoming delusional. He's acting like a mental retard. That when you get frustrated because you don't have access to means and money, you don't become desperate and drag people into the mud like that. I take special exception to that accusation, and I condemn it with all the possible terms.
For context sake, Ukama Wenyuna Benson Wagamila say, are you just colleagues, best friends, or Ukama Wenyu, where do you meet?
No, I started off in South Africa. I worked with him. I helped him set up the agriculture projects that he was doing. I did some voiceovers and some recordings for his findings. I found him very fascinating when we started off, particularly in the commentary around the Pan-African issues. So that's when we started from there. And when I came to Zimbabwe, I invited him to come in because I thought his voice would actually add more value to what I was already doing here. And I think that's where all hell broke loose. And I think, but the rest of the stuff, those who want to hear the full details, tune in tonight. We'll be on the program on my space, on X, on my space. You'll be able to get all the details. And if you have any questions, please shoot them up in the comment section, and we'll try and attend to as many as possible.
Thank you so much, Bishop.